Hey everyone, it's AM Scratcher here, and today I've been scratching off camera because I've been losing like crazy, so I haven't scratched on camera for a while, but I should have been doing it today. I have gotten two $10 Struck by Luck tickets, ticket numbers, let's see, 30 and 29, and I got back-to-back wins for two storm clouds, guys. Two storm clouds. Never had that to happen. Let's scan these things and see what comes up. All right, let me pull up my app in my phone. And let's scan 30 first. Okay, come on, scan. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Malfunction here. Got a little scratch dust on it. Alright. Trying to film in my car, which I usually don't do because my husband does not like me scratching in my car at all. Alright, guys. Let's see what we got. Oh, $100, guys. Yes, $100. Yes. Awesome. That's amazing. All right, let's try the other one and see what comes up. Don't you love that sound? It's hooked to my car. So, oh, so loud. All right, on to ticket 29. Let's see what it comes up. All right. Come on, give me 500. That would be amazing. 20 bucks. All right, I'll take it, guys. That is a $20 session and made 120 bucks on back-to-back Struck by Luck tickets with two storm clouds. Awesome, guys. All right, if you guys are new, subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.